Hi, Nick Vanderkar. So one of the questions I get asked a lot is about credit, and that's why today I'm meeting with Rich Filipone from Prosperity Home Mortgage just to discuss the differences between some of the different soft or hard credit pulls.
Hey Nick, good to see you again. Great day here in West Grove, beautiful day. But that is a question that I get quite often about soft pull credit reports and hard pull credit reports. So differences being soft pull credit will not affect your credit scores. It's a credit that consumers get when they go online with Credit Karma or their credit card companies. They will get a soft pull credit and they'll get an idea where their credit scores are. A hard pull credit is not pulled until you are actually applying for the credit or loan. Once you fill out an application for a loan or a credit card, a hard pull will be initiated by the lender or credit card company. Hard pull credits do affect your credit scores, not as much as most consumers think. A hard pull credit will probably affect your scores 2 to 5 points. That will not make a difference in whether you qualify for a mortgage. The only time it would affect your score more is if a consumer had multiple hard pull credits in a 12-month period, and multiple being 4 to 6. At that point, your scores will be affected a little bit more dramatically. So if a consumer wants to get a quick check on their credit, they can certainly go online, see where their credit scores are, but keep one thing in mind. When you go to apply for a mortgage loan, the lender is going to do a hard pull credit. The hard pull credit's a little bit more involved than a soft pull, so our scores might vary from what a consumer's getting online from Credit Karma, and I can say that that happens quite often. So if you're ready to buy a house, you're ready to buy a car, a hard pull is going to be done and your scores could be a little bit different. And it's the lender pull that counts, not the soft pull credit. So it's very important. If you're ready to buy a house, the lender's going to do a hard pull. Don't be surprised with the scores. If they are different, your loan officer will explain what you have to do.
Tell me, Rich, why is the hard pull develop a different score to the soft pull?
Well, sometimes the hard pull goes back 7 years on your credit history. I'm not saying a soft pull doesn't, but a soft pull might not pull up everything that a hard pull credit will. So there could be a collection account on there, a charge off that's affecting credit scores that will not show up on the soft pull credit. So it's imperative, especially when you're going to apply for a mortgage, that we have the correct credit scores. Interest rate, mortgage program are all affected by credit scores. So it's extremely important we have that correct up front before you go out, before a consumer goes out and starts shopping for a home.
Okay. And when you were talking about hard pulls, so there you're talking about, say, maybe applying for 2 or 3 different credit cards, a car loan, before you actually go to apply for your home loan. If you apply for 2 or 3 different mortgage brokers within 30 days of each other,
right,
that's not really going to be 3 different hard pulls.
That's correct. So the credit bureaus realize that consumers are going to shop for certain things, important things, such as homes or mortgages, car loans, and student loans. So they allow the consumer to shop a variety of lenders, and it will only count as 1 credit inquiry on their credit report. So if you're going to get pre-approved for a mortgage, you want to get 3 or 4 different opinions from different banks. You can have each bank run a hard pull credit within a 45-day window, and it will only count as 1 inquiry on your credit report. That's extremely important to know, because people think, oh my God, I have 3 lenders pull my credit, my scores are going to go in the tank, and that's not what happens. So the credit bureaus are aware, and they allow consumers to do a little bit of shopping for those items.
Okay, sounds great.